In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on age-restricted channel in Discord. If you're managing a community that discusses mature topics, or you simply want an extra layer of content control, marking a channel as age-restricted is a quick and responsible way to make sure viewers confirm they're over 18 before entering. This helps set expectations for your audience and keeps your server aligned with platform guidelines. Before we start, a quick note on permissions. You'll need the ability to manage channels on the server. If you don't see the options I mention, reach out to a server admin to grant you the proper role or to make the change for you. Let's walk through it. First, open Discord and go to the server where the channel lives. Make sure you're in the correct server, especially if you're part of multiple communities, so you don't change the wrong channel. In the channel list on the left, find the channel you want to mark as age-restricted. Right-click that channel to bring up the context menu, then choose Edit Channel. This opens the channel settings sidebar, where most of the important options are grouped by tabs. You'll land on the Overview tab by default. Scroll down until you see the setting labeled Age-Restricted Channel. This is the control that puts an 18+ gate on the channel and prompts users to confirm they're of age before they can view or join. Go ahead and toggle it on. Once it's on, look for the Save Changes prompt and confirm your choice. Saving locks in the setting and applies it to everyone in the server. After saving, you'll typically see an 18+ badge or similar indicator next to the channel, which is a helpful visual confirmation that the restriction is active. That's the entire process. From here, anyone trying to access that channel will get an age confirmation prompt. Keep in mind that age-restricting a channel doesn't override Discord's community guidelines or your server rules. Those still apply. Use this setting to keep mature conversations in their appropriate space and continue moderating content as usual. If you don't see Edit Channel or the age-restricted toggle, you might not have the necessary permissions, or you could be using a different device layout. In that case, check your role settings or ask a server admin for help. You can always return to the same overview section to turn the toggle off later if your needs change. And that's it. Quick, clear, and effective. Now you know exactly how to turn on age-restricted channel settings in Discord so your server stays organized and compliant.